Hello guys,
Hello.
good evening. Today's Sunday. Like most of us, we are watching football. But tonight, I will be making a Thanksgiving dinner for my family and displaying what I can make for your family for this upcoming Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
Please stay tuned. Mincing a little garlic. Wow, look at those chopping skills. Okay. Amazing chicken. About to head into the oven at 350. Better stay tuned and see the finished product. Roasted potato time, guys. Beautiful, beautiful golden potatoes. As you can see, little mini ones. Love them. I think golden because it's more buttery taste to it.
The empty corner eater out here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But I could get it by NSK.
Tomato, mushroom, garlic. Now it's time to make my beautiful tomato and mushroom sauce to go well with this Thanksgiving dinner.